Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webflow editor. This powerful tool lets you make real-time updates to your website's content without touching any code. Simply log into your Webflow account, choose your project, and enter the editor. You will see your live site, ready for edits. Remember to publish your changes when you are finished so everyone can see your updates. It is a straightforward process for managing your web presence. Now, let us dive into editing your site's text. It is incredibly intuitive. Just click on any text you wish to change, whether it is a heading, a paragraph, or a list item. A small toolbar will appear, offering options to format your text, like making it bold or italic. You can also add links. Always remember to save your work frequently to ensure no progress is lost. This keeps your content fresh and accurate. Next, let us talk about managing your website's visuals. To replace an image, simply click on it and upload a new one from your computer. You can also add brand new images to any section of your page using the plus icon. It is important to optimize your images for web use, ensuring they load quickly for your visitors. High-quality, relevant media significantly enhances your site's appeal and user experience. Finally, let us cover publishing your work and collaborating with your team. Once you are happy with your edits, hit the Publish button to make them live for the world to see. Webflow also makes teamwork easy. You can invite colleagues to collaborate on your project, assigning them specific roles and permissions. Always do a quick review of all changes before publishing to ensure everything looks perfect. Happy editing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.